This Android 9.1 smartwatch, it's a doozy. It's got 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, probably more than your phone. You got do not disturb, change your brightness, airplane mode, cellular communication. Sure enough, you put a SIM card, 4G in here. You can do calling and data transfer. You got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and location services with GPS. GPS is built into it, all kinds of good things. Over here, you can get into all different activities in your apps, and one more swipe gets you into your running and exercising. You have all types of different things, jumping rope, and tied in with GPS so that you can get a track on your activities as well. You also have over here messages sent from your phone, and down this direction you have your daily step count information, a music player, and one more swipe gets you to weather in your area. In terms of installed apps, you've got phone contacts and SMS related to the SIM card for making and receiving calls and texts. Overall settings, this watch now, Android, has heart rate and blood oxygen reading built into it using the red diode technology. You can wear it to bed and get last night's sleep time, do breath training. It's really an enhancement in all of the biometrics aspects of it. You've got an installed browser, the 2 cameras on here, of course, gallery to see your pictures, calendars, alarm clocks, a music player that can play any of your 128 gigabytes. And of course, you can install third-party apps with the Google Play Store, like YouTube and others that you can play videos on. You got a voice recorder, file manager, weather, overall optimization, watch faces that you can add, extra apps. There's your fitness again. It just goes on and on. In terms of Google support, everything's here. You've got maps if you want to. You've got all kinds of different Google integration. You can put the Chrome browser on here and sync it up with your phone and your computer. Beautiful watch. It comes with a leather-looking band on it with rubberized back. Hot and sweaty person wearing it, charging connector here, and the diodes, of course, are right here. Again, it's a Android 9.1 smartwatch, variety of watch faces available, and it's a sweet deal. It's available right now. Check it out.